Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Freshly arrived Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. What a classic boat this is. Boston Whaler's been making the 17 Montauk for decades, and there's good reason for it. Super stable, smooth ride, lots of room in it for a 17-footer. This one's equipped with the 115 Mercury on it, and that is the maximum horsepower for this boat. You can either get it with a 90 or 115. If you're going to be pulling tubes and skiers and stuff like that, I recommend you go with the larger engine like this. If you're just putting around, maybe a couple of you, 90 horsepower do just fine for you. This has got the swim platform in the back with a nice 3-step ladder on it. Removable backrest for the port and starboard aft seats, and when you pull these out, there's 2 rod holders on each side too, so you've got 4 rod holders in the back of the boat. We've got the side rails on here. There's different rail configurations that you can get with the 17 Montauk. You can get low profile rails like there is in the front. You can also get those in the back. You can get high profile rails in the front. You can get split rails in the front, so there's a lot of different things that you can do with the rails on it. I like this setup for fishing, is when you're back here in the back, you've got something that goes up high on your leg to give you security while you're in the boat, but when you're in the front, casting off the front of it, you don't have any rails up there in the front of it. Reversible seat here with the live well underneath it. It's already got the Simrad multifunction display on the dash, so you've got your GPS and your fish finder already on there. Cushion cooler seat in front of the console, and then you've got 4 rod holders in front of the console too, so plenty of rod holders on this little 17-footer. This one we also ordered with the bow cushion on it, so it's going to allow somebody to sit nice and comfortably up in the front of the boat. And then this is also pre-wired for a trolling motor, so the hard work's been done about installing a trolling motor on this. All your wiring's there, your battery box is down inside the console. If you want to take a test ride on a 17 Montauk, give me a call at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach on my cell phone, 904-625-6146.